nyimpi yo balesa no buluka va swibulukisa emahlweni. Vanhu vo tala va hanya hi ku chava eUKraine. Mavuthu ya Russia ya karhi ku nghena etikweni leriya lava hlaselaka tindhawu ta nkoka to fana na mindzilikano. Naswona Afrika Dzonga leswaku va vilerisa hi xiyimo lexi nga kona eUKraine. Naswona va navela leswaku ku nga va na minkanerisano na Russia.
South Africa is of the view that this armed conflict, like all others, will result in unnecessary human suffering and destruction with global ramifications.
Mavandla n'wana tipolitiki va humesa mavonelo ya vona mayelana leswi nga le ku humeleleni exikarhi ka matiko ya Russia na Ukraine.
As the National Freedom Party, we are concerned and in fact gravely worried about the impact of this raging war on citizens. Already, women have been killed, children have been killed, and their homes destroyed. In fact, the entire country of Ukraine is in shambles.
This should have been avoided. And we are calling for all those involved to cease hostilities for the benefit of the innocent lives and the world peace.
The ACDP is very concerned about what appears to be Russia's unprovoked invasion of Ukraine. We therefore join our voice with the voices of nations that have called on Russia to withdraw their troops.
It
is simply unacceptable in modern times that we have an invasion of an independent, sovereign democracy by another power aggressively marching towards its capital.
FF Plus pakombele mfumo ku pfuna maAfrika Dzonga lava nga le Ukraine eka nkarhi wa sweswi.
The Freedom Front Plus appeals to the government to do everything and as quick as possible to assist those people to return to South Africa.
Tani leswi matiko ya misava ya koxaka matlhari ehansi a swi leriwaleni ku Russia ri ta yingisa va sungula minjhekanjhekisano na Ukraine.